Hello everyone, as you can see, we have our clone commanders in front of us. I previously unboxed Clone Commander Gree, and I'll leave a link around here-ish if you're interested in seeing Clone Commander Gree here. But what we're going to do today is either unbox Clone Commander Bly or Clone Commander Wolffe. And we're just going to randomly select who we're going to unbox using our faithful digital assistant. This will be number 1, this will be number 2. Alexa, choose a number between 1 and 2.
2.
All right. It will be Clone Commander Wolffe today. So what we'll do is we'll take a closer look at Wolffe. And then in our next video, we'll take a closer look at Clone Commander Bly. All right, so this is going to be an older red box figure, so we'll be happy with whatever he is able to do. As we saw with Gree, he was a little limited, but, you know, that's all right. So taking a look at the outside the box, his helmet looks freaking awesome. We have 2 blasters, as you would expect. If we go to the side here, he is non-numbered Clone Commander, or Red Box Black Series, I should say. We've got Echo 2259. On the back here, it says Clone Commander Wolffe, Clone Commander Wolffe, Clone Designation CC 3636, served in the Clone Wars as commander of the tight-knit unit known as the Wolfpack. A seasoned and battered combatant, Wolffe has witnessed some of the worst the war has to offer. Despite tragedy, he fights on bravely, proudly brandishing his battle scars and instilling loyalty among his men. Yeah. All right, and then we've got Clone Commander Wolffe here on the side. So let's go ahead and unbox him. And if you have any questions while we go through this, make sure to ask down below. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so now. That way you can see future unboxings, including that of Bly, that we will be doing soon. All right, take this. It's just easier that way. Got the helmet here. Blaster 1, Blaster 2, and Clone Commander Wolffe. Awesome. All right. Hopefully he stands up for us. Might need a little bit of work. All right. That'll work for now. Let's take a look at the blasters. They are just okay. They're standard blasters that we typically see. I really wish sometimes Hasbro would have done a little bit more with these guys. Blaster number 2 is exactly the same, so we're not going to go through that. Helmet, however, I mean, this guy is super awesome. We've got the articulating scope here. Side, you can see that we've got the little bit of weathering and whatnot on there. We've got the wolf symbol, which is awesome. I mean, that's an awesome looking helmet. All right, going to the commander himself. We've got his head and his face. I mean, I think they did a pretty decent job, especially for when this was. I'm really happy with that. Head movement, a little bit up, a little bit down. No tilting left or right. We'll see what he looks like with his helmet on. As you can see, we've got the detail there. I really like what they did there, including that. That was super important, and they did. So good on them. Arms, not really going to get too far up. Maybe get a little bit more. I'm not going to mess with it too much. The lower shoulder, good there. Decent movement on the elbow-ish. I'm just going to say decent and then just leave it at that. Got left, right, and this is probably going to be an up-down. Yeah, this is an up-down movement. Torso, it's okay. The belt is not attached, which is good. We do have a little bit of soft goods here. It's all right. I mean, it's not horrible. It's not great. I think it's going to be better than any other thing that they probably would have done, so I'm not going to complain. We do have good movement there. Knees, good movement as well. All right, so let's go ahead and take some pictures. That's when I really get to see what he's able to do. come back, talk about some of the things that I like and or dislike about the figure. Again, while I'm going through this, if you have any questions, make sure you're asking that down below. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and take some pictures. All right, everyone. I think for being an older red box Black Series figure, Wolffe looks awesome. My only complaint is really his articulation, which goes hand in hand with the big problem that I noticed is trying to get an akimbo grip. Just was not happening. His right hand is great at holding the blaster. His left hand, not so much, as you may or may not have seen in the video so far. Anyways, as far as looking great on the shelf, I give him an A. I mean, he's awesome. He looks exactly the way you want him to look. His only problem is really the older articulation style. He's not as bad as Gree. But I would not say that he's the best out of all of them so far. But what we have next in the next video is going to be Clone Commander Bly. I've got a lot of hope for him because he's a newer red box. I think he was in the last wave or second to last wave in the red box series, and they were starting to get their groove on when it came to articulation. So what we're going to do now is end the video. If you have any questions about the figure, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, including, obviously, Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but we do other things as well, like going to theme parks, home automation, electronics, and that sort of thing as well. So with that, have a great day.